said, where you going with that gun in your hand? Hey there, I'm David Cordero and welcome back to another song tutorial at Pass the Guitar Live. And we are super excited to bring to you Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix. And even better, for this tutorial, we're gonna be working on a beginner's version of this song because everyone deserves to play some Jimi Hendrix, right? Well, if you are ready, let's waste no more time. Let's just dive right in. Let's go over those chords. Well, we're gonna be using C major, G majors, D majors, A majors, and last but not least, E majors. These 5 chords are some of the most important and basic open string chords out there. So what a better way to work on these chords than playing Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix, right? Well, now that we have the chords, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. Look at that, super nice, super simple. We only have a couple eighth notes and a quarter note, and the pattern actually repeats within the measure. So I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna play it and count it out loud. So pay attention to my counting and to the sound. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, down. Down, 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 down. Notice that I was emphasizing the quarter notes on 2 and on 4. Well, let's plug in a chord. I'm gonna use E major for that. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, 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 down. That's awesome! Now we have the chords and the strumming pattern. We are ready to move on to the song form. But before we do that, if you enjoy the content we bring to you in this channel, don't forget to support us by subscribing, clicking on that notification bell, and liking this video. Well, let's take a look at the form. The best part about this song is that we're only gonna be playing one chord progression for the entire song. And it's this one. Yeah, look at that. It's a 4-bar phrase. We start with a measure that we play C major for half of it, and then we move to G major for the second half. And on the second measure, we have D major for the first half and A major for the second half. And then we play 2 full measures of E major. Second one. That's incredible, right? Did you think that with 5 chords, 1 strumming pattern, and a 4-bar chord progression, you could actually play Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix? Well, you have to believe it. That's all we need. So let's now practice by plugging in the strumming pattern to the chord progression we just looked at. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. C major, 1 and 2. G major and 4. D major, 1 and 2. A major and 4. Now 2 full measures of E major. 3 and 4, 1 and 2, and let's go back to the beginning and repeat everything. And 2, 3 and time. 1 and 2, 3. Remember to put emphasis on 2 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Last time. Down, down, loud. Down, down, stronger. D, D, louder. 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Really, we know the chords, we know the strumming pattern, and we know the chord progression. Well, let's just do a playthrough little demo where I'm gonna sing some of the verses and you're gonna play along with me. So you got a little feel and you're really gonna believe that that's all we need. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1. Hey Joe, where you going with that gun in your hand? 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hey Joe, I said, where you going with that gun in your hand? 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Let's repeat it again. Going out to shoot my old lady. You know I caught her messing around with another man. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Let's do one more time. And 4. I'm going down to shoot my old lady. You know I caught her messing around with another man. And 4. And that ain't too cool. 4. That's a wrap for this tutorial, and now you can also play Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix. Fantastic, right? But before you go, don't forget to leave us a comment with requests for any type of content you would like to see us covering in this channel. And if you want to be part of an awesome community, you know where to go. There is a link on the description below. My name is David Cordero, and I will see you on the next video.